Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Just got this in the mail this week and I haven't really seen any tutorials going around using the products in the box. So I thought I would go ahead and try on some of the products that we got this month. I'm actually really excited about this box. It's pretty decent. And yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So the first thing that is in the box is this highbrow pencil from Benefit. The highbrow pencil, and it is just a pinky nude shade, and it's just to highlight the brows. I already put my brows on, so because I knew I was going to go ahead and use this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play with it because I'm not really sure what to do with it, but we'll figure it out. The next thing in the box is this Paris Hilton Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. So this retails for $29, and it just says that it has exfoliating caviar lime, pineapple derived enzymes, cucumber, white tea extract. So it sounds really good for the skin. I hope it works, and I'm actually kind of excited to try this out. Next up, we have this Goldfaden MD Dark Circles Radiance Concentrate. So it says it's for tired eyes, and it's just supposed to reduce the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines. And I got all those. This little thing retails for $55. Damn. Next up, we have this LOVECRAFT Beauty Bronzer Palette. I saw that they had a blush palette floating around out there too from the same brand for this month's box. But I'm actually glad I got the bronzer palette, not the blush palette, because I feel like I get more use out of the bronzer palette. But here it is. It has 3 shades from light to dark and a nice little mirror in it. And I've never actually heard of this brand, so I'll have to probably do some research. And then last but not least, and the thing that I'm most excited for in this box, is this Mood palette by Laura Sanchez. When I saw that we were getting this, I was like, ooh. Here is the palette. It comes with some nice matte shades and a lot of pops of color, and then 2 highlighters, and then this little brush that already fell out. And I think this palette's actually pretty versatile, just because you do have these neutral shades and some not so bright colorful shades. But yeah, really excited about this. So I just calculated the price of all the products in this month's box, and it is a total of $188, which is a great freaking value for only paying 25 bucks a month. You can't beat it. Ipsy has been coming for it. They ain't messing around. They're here for the competition. So the first thing I'm going to be trying out from the box is this Goldfaden MD Eye Concentrate. And it has a little pump, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. Initially you can feel it. It's a warm tingly feeling under the eye, which I don't know if that's supposed to happen, but let's hope it is. But yeah, I mean, it burns right here on this this dry patch I have on my face, but everything burns right there, so I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, so hopefully over time I get some results. So we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeshadow first, just because I'm gonna be using some color, and I always like to do that before I put on my face makeup. Otherwise it's gonna be a hot mess. right now we're done with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies and put on my foundation and everything, and I'll be right back to finish up the rest of this look. I look crazy, I know, but I just finished my face makeup. I actually just tried the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation for the first time because I just bought it tonight, and I'm holy crap. This foundation is gorgeous on the skin. I'm here for the hype. Here for the hype. But anyways, while I'm baking, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the eyes with this palette. So the eyes are done, and we're going to go ahead and finish off the face. I think I just have like bronzer and stuff to do, which is perfect because we're going to go ahead and play with this LOVECRAFT Beauty bronzer palette. I'm going to take this shade first. It's called Sunniva. Yeah, I think it's like Sunniva. Or Suniva. Not sure, but I'm just going to take the middle shade. Blush, I'm going to be using this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I actually got this, I think it was my last month's Glam Bag Plus, but I have been wanting to play around with it more, and since I was doing an Ipsy video, I thought I'd go ahead and use this. I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade right here and then that shade right here and mix those two. So I'm going to go ahead back into the Moods palette that we got because we have two highlights in here as well. So I'm going to be taking this little, it looks kind of like taupey, like a taupey highlight. So we're going to go ahead and take that one on our cheekbones and put this one, this like purple duochrome highlight in the inner corners. I almost forgot about this highbrow pencil, so I'm just going to use that right underneath my the arch of my brow. I really like that, how that gives you like a nice little highlight to the brow. Okay, I see. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lip color. I'm thinking about like a real pale nude, and I will be right back and we'll wrap up and I'll give you my final thoughts on this month's Glam Bag Plus box. See you in a minute. So this is the finished look. Just in case you were wondering, the lippy I went in with is this. What is this? This one from Kylie, and it is in the shade Built to Last. But yeah, that's the shade I went in. It's just like a nice mauve nude. So, and I think it finished this look off perfectly. I am living for this look. Like, I didn't think this video was gonna be good. I thought it was gonna be boring. I didn't think the look was gonna turn out that good, but I was obviously wrong because this look is bomb as fuck. The only thing that I probably would do differently is not put this highlight. I wouldn't put this highlight in my inner corner just because it is Like, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is just purple. It throws off the look a little bit, in my opinion, but besides that, I loved the shadows. The mattes blended out beautifully. That teal blended out so well. It is so pigmented and creamy, and it went on the waterline so easily. So yeah, the eyeshadows in this palette are great. The highlight is blinding. It is wet looking, and it is freaking gorgeous. Actually, really, I think I'm obsessed with this palette. I don't know. Like, I was thinking that this gives me very, very much like Anastasia Riviera vibes. And since I have this palette, I feel like I need to go get that one, because this kind of like has the same kind of thing to it. So, I don't know. I'm loving this look though. What else was in the box? What else was in the box? Oh, yeah. So this LOVECRAFT bronzer palette I really, really like as well. This was very creamy, and it blended out very, very nicely. And it's super pigmented, so you definitely like going with a light hand, because it gives you a lot of pack for your punch. I could probably even go down a shade. Like, that's how pigmented this palette is. So yeah, very impressed with this as well. The thing that I was actually surprised that I enjoyed as much as I did was this Benefit Highbrow Pencil. I know that I just use it under my brows, but I actually really like the nice like subtle highlighted look that it gave like right underneath my brows. So yeah, definitely going to be playing around with this. I want to see if you can like use it in the waterline as well, so we'll have to see about that. But yeah, really, really like this pencil. Last thing we use is this Goldfaden eye serum. I concentrate. I'm not going to say it gave me immediate results, but for some reason I feel like my concealer went on and blended out a little bit. I don't know. It was different. I can't like put my finger on what was different about it, but I really like how my concealer looks, and it's not so creasy underneath my eyes. This works. Like, this might be a new holy this might be a new holy grail like skincare product for me. Who knows? The only thing I didn't get to try out was this Paris Hilton cleanser, because I haven't washed my face. I already washed my face before I did the video, and I didn't want to open this one yet. But yeah, I am going to test this out in the future. I'm really impressed with this Glam Bag Plus this month, and I hope they keep it up through the summer, because I'm excited for some more fun products to be able to try out. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned for more in the future, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.